Could this be the SUV that finally ends the Tata Nexon's dominance? Renault has unveiled its next big thing for India with the debut of the Renault Bridger concept. Currently a show car that appears to be close to production ready, the Bridger is Renault's second offering for India's subcompact SUV market after the slow-selling Kiger. But with the Bridger, Renault is adopting a different design approach, one that is being lapped up by SUV buyers in higher segments. Designing what is effectively a mini duster for a more price-conscious segment, Renault has confirmed the production version of this SUV will arrive next year, and India will be the first market in the world where it will be launched. Now I'm sure at this point you are eager to know more about the Renault Bridger, but before we get into all the details, make sure you follow carandbike and hit the bell icon so you're notified every time we come out with a new video. My name is Amaan Ahmed, and now let's jump right into all the details of the Renault Bridger. A return to boxy silhouettes has proven beneficial for several SUV brands. Just ask Land Rover, which has seen Defenders being snapped up faster than it can build them. Even Hyundai has completely changed the identity of the Santa Fe with the latest generation model, and Mahindra has already previewed a similar shape for an upcoming sub-4 meter SUV with the Vision S concept. So it comes as no surprise that Renault has chosen to go down the same route with the Bridger. The show car is a conventionally handsome SUV. It doesn't try anything radical. Take a look at the LED headlights, for example. Renault steered clear of opting for the split headlight look we've seen on countless SUVs in recent years, instead choosing a regular single housing rectangular layout with daytime running lights forming a brow. The upright nose features an illuminated Renault wordmark, and the front bumper features a silver finished styling element resembling a skid plate. While the concept wears beige dune satin paint, the bonnet sports a gloss black finish, and the roof along with the pillars are all finished in black as well. In profile, the Bridger gives off a mini Defender vibe, riding on 18-inch alloys with 200mm of ground clearance. The sculpting of the body panels adds real visual muscle, and the tailgate mounted spare wheel completes the look in a way the masses would expect from a real SUV. While Renault has not revealed any images of the Bridger's interior, it claims the production SUV will have a 400-litre boot and as much as 200mm of knee room for rear passengers, which the company claims will be best in segment. The Bridger is built on Renault's new Global Modular Platform, or RGMP as it is more commonly known, effectively using a shortened version of the same architecture that underpins the new Duster. While the Bridger is expected to measure just under 4 meters in length, its upright proportions will help Renault free up incredible amounts of interior space. Recall the Kia Ceros, which is effectively the same size as a Kia Sonet but has vast amounts of room on the inside, which makes it feel like a much larger SUV. Renault has also confirmed the Bridger will be available with regular combustion engines as well as a hybrid powertrain and a full electric version depending on which market it's being introduced in. We expect to see the combustion model make use of the 1-litre turbo petrol engine you've already seen in the Kiger and will also see in the new Duster, but it will be interesting to see which engine Renault chooses to introduce an E-Tech strong hybrid version of the Bridger. It's also more than likely that the Bridger EV will be introduced in India subsequently, with battery options expected to be in the range of 35 to 55 kWh, and Renault claims it will have segment-best energy efficiency, which should mean a solid usable range. The production Bridger will be positioned above the Kiger in Renault's India lineup, but will slot in below the new Duster. It will effectively have every sub-4 meter SUV in its crosshairs, including models such as the Tata Nexon, Maruti Suzuki Brezza, Mahindra XUV 3XO, Kia Sonet, Hyundai Venue, and the Skoda Kayak. By the time it arrives at the end of 2027, it may also have to take on Mahindra's production spec Vision S, and there is word that MG2 is working on a small boxy SUV which was previewed by its Cyber X concept. The Bridger will be manufactured at Renault's plant in Oragadam, Tamil Nadu, and is expected to have a competitive edge when it comes to pricing thanks to high levels of localization. So there you have it, a quick look at what the Renault Bridger is promising. But now I want to know what you are thinking about when you look at this SUV. Are you impressed by the design and styling? What sort of features would you like to see in the Bridger? And which powertrain would you be most looking forward to with this SUV? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you have any feedback for Renault regarding the Bridger, then remember to leave that in the comments too. If you enjoyed watching this video and found it informative, then remember to give us the thumbs up. And if you know somebody who would be interested in seeing the Renault Bridger, then remember to share this video with them.